Hello humans, welcome to a new episode of Humans NFT short stories. Today's episode presents a short story on the coolness of NFTs. Why are NFTs cool? First of all, how can something that revolutionizes ownership not be cool? As you learned previously, anything digital can become an NFT by using smart contracts. Snoop Dogg made an entire album on blockchain back on death row. How cool would it be to own one of Snoop Dogg's songs as an NFT? So NFTs are revolutionizing ownership one industry at a time, starting with art and now music and entertainment. Big brands such as Coca-Cola, Marvel, Adidas or Ray-Ban have already started launching their own NFT collections. If you are an artist, you can sell your work as NFTs. If you are a buyer, you can collect NFTs that you like or you can trade them for profits. Some even say NFT wallets are the social media profile of the future. So you better start collecting NFTs that you feel represent you and display them for the world to see. Not to brag, but our Humans AI NFTs are simply state of the art. So there you have it. Now you know why NFTs are cool. Stay tuned for our next short story, Is NFT Art? And join our Humans.ai channel on YouTube.